Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best headboard panels is probably one of the most versatile and stylish ways to elevate your bedroom's aesthetic, transforming a plain wall into a captivating focal point that exudes personality and comfort. These panels offer a unique opportunity to customize your space, whether you're aiming for a minimalist, modern look or a plush, luxurious sanctuary, providing both visual appeal and a soft, inviting texture that can redefine your sleeping environment and make your bedroom truly your own. Number 5. Nathan James Harlow Queen Headboard. Introducing the Harlow Headboard, a modern and adjustable wall mount design. It's crafted with a vintage brown faux leather finish for a stylish touch. This versatile piece is designed to fit both queen and full-size beds. It includes 2 lightweight panels, offering comfort and enhancing your bedroom decor. Its stylish design isn't limited to the bedroom. Use it behind a bench or stools in your dining area or entryway to add a touch of softness and elegance. This modern headboard is designed to be the perfect statement piece for any room. It effortlessly elevates your space with its unique style. Setting up your new headboard is a breeze. It features an easy assembly process that can be completed in approximately 30 minutes. What we like? This headboard offers a modern, adjustable design with a vintage faux leather finish. It's perfect for those seeking a stylish statement piece that's quick to install. If you're looking for a quick bedroom refresh and appreciate a touch of vintage flair, this is a great choice. What people say. The panels are easy to install and look great. The material is high quality and durable. The design is modern and stylish. Number 4. Vänt Micro Suede Gray Wall-Mounted Headboard Panels. Create a stunning focal point in any room with these wall-mounted headboard panels. They effortlessly add a touch of sophistication and style to your space. Each box contains 4 panels that fit perfectly for various bed sizes, whether you have a queen, king, twin, or full. All necessary mounting hardware is included for your ease. Enjoy a tranquil and undisturbed sleeping environment thanks to their impressive noise-absorbing capabilities. These panels create a serene atmosphere perfect for rest, work, or entertainment. Forget complicated mounting processes. Our patented simple mount system makes installation a breeze with an innovative screw design that provides a secure grip on drywall. Experience luxury and durability with panels crafted with precision and attention to detail. Made from premium materials, they are built to last and enhance your decor. These upholstered panels work beautifully as a headboard or accent walls, offering a wide range of finishes and colors. Find the ideal look to suit your bedroom, living room, or office. What we like? Experience a tranquil space with superior sound absorption, making it ideal for bedrooms, home theaters, or studios. With a vast array of colors and finishes, it offers unparalleled versatility. If you prioritize a peaceful environment and desire a customizable aesthetic, these panels are an excellent option. What people say. The panels are easy to install and can be arranged in various patterns. They add a modern and stylish look to the bedroom. The foam padding provides a soft and comfortable surface. Number 3. Vänt Fredrick Headboard Panels. Introducing the Vänt Fredrick Headboard Panels, designed for your king or king bed. This set includes 12 individual panels, perfect for creating a customized headboard. Our patented simple mount system makes installation a breeze. You won't need to find studs or use anchors, as all necessary hardware is included. Crafted with quality wood, foam, batting, and 100% microfiber fabric in a neutral sand color. These panels offer both style and comfort. Enjoy a quieter space with excellent sound absorption properties. They are designed to help reduce ambient noise. Rest assured with a fire rating of NFPA 260, ensuring safety and compliance for your home. Each panel measures 11.5 inches high and 39 inches wide, with a depth of 1.5 inches that increases to 2.5 inches with the bracket system. What we like? Designed specifically for larger beds, this option provides excellent sound absorption for a quieter room. The patented simple mount system ensures a hassle-free installation. If you have a king or king bed and are looking for effective noise reduction with easy setup, consider this choice. What people say. The panels are easy to install and look great. The quality of the material is excellent and it feels very sturdy. The design is modern and sleek, adding a nice touch to the bedroom. Number 2. BME Vivian King Headboard. Infuse your bedroom with a sense of comfort and style. This headboard's herringbone pattern and vintage color create a cozy retreat that reflects your personal taste. Crafted from solid acacia wood, this piece is built for longevity. Its clean lines and premium material ensure it will be a lasting addition to your home. Designed to complement both king and queen bed frames, it adds a touch of Scandinavian flair. An anti-tip kit is included for added safety. Setting it up is a breeze. With all necessary hardware and clear instructions, you can easily attach it to your bed frame or mount it directly to the wall in minutes. We're here to help. Our customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. Crafted from solid acacia wood with a beautiful herringbone pattern, it brings a warm, rustic charm to your bedroom. Its sturdy construction ensures long-term use. If you appreciate natural materials, a cozy aesthetic, and straightforward assembly, this headboard is a fantastic addition to your space. What people say. The panels are easy to install and look great. They add a modern touch to the bedroom. The material is high quality and durable. Number 1. Kids Anti-Collision Wall Padding. Introducing our anti-collision wall padding, designed to create a safer environment for your little ones. These soft panels provide a comfortable buffer against everyday bumps and tumbles. Transform any room in minutes with our simple peel and stick design. Just clean the wall, peel the backing, align, and press firmly for a secure fit. Each panel features dense foam cushioning to soften impacts in play areas, bedrooms, or living spaces. Enjoy added comfort and peace of mind. The modern faux leather surface offers a clean, upholstered aesthetic that complements any decor. It's comfortable, durable, and easy to maintain. Use these versatile panels to create a soft, padded area behind beds, sofas, or in kids' rooms. They are perfect for adding a touch of comfort and safety wherever needed. For best results, ensure installation on smooth, flat surfaces. Please note that these are not recommended for textured walls, dusty surfaces, wallpaper, or ceilings. What we like. These panels offer a simple peel and stick installation, providing soft foam padding for safety and comfort. The faux leather finish is easy to clean, making them ideal for children's rooms or play areas. If you need a quick, safe, and easy to maintain solution for high traffic areas or kids' spaces, these are a great pick. What people say. The panels are easy to install and look great on the wall. The adhesive backing is strong and holds the panel securely. The material is soft and adds a nice touch to the bedroom. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.